A very warm welcome here. I hope you all are doing really great. I'm Aditi, your physics teacher, and I know that exam season is coming really soon. And my students have lots of questions and they're like, ma'am, we have revised everything, we have studied, but I am not sure if I'm well prepared or not. I'm not sure how to test myself. Do you feel the same? Correct? So, keeping that in mind, we have brought you a very important ABHYAS KCET Test Series 2026 just for you guys. Now, what this series exactly is, if you don't know about that, let me just explain you a bit. So, this test series we started back in 2024, and since then every year the demand for this series increases. It is trusted by our toppers, by KCET toppers, and if you don't believe me that this series is that good, go talk to these people. Their interviews are there on our channel. They are available on our channel. Go watch them and hear them say how much this series helped them crack KCET. Prajwal, Deeksha and Mohammed, their interviews are available on our channel. You can go watch them. And all these toppers, they praise ABHYAS KCET series like crazy. They're like, ma'am, this is the exact series which helped me crack the exam. Without this, I am not sure. Okay, so what exactly this series is giving, that these toppers giving a big chunk of credit to ABHYAS. This is something to think about, right? So let me tell you what this series is offering, why this is so much trusted. So the first is, you'll get what? You'll get 35 KCET tests. If you enroll in ABHYAS, you will be getting 35 KCET tests. Now, if you just register for the series, you will still be getting 4 free tests. 4 free tests if you just register for the series. But I personally recommend you to enroll in the series, to buy this series. Why, ma'am? I think 4 is enough. I just have to give 1 KCET exam. 4 series are enough. 4 tests are enough. Maybe, but there are students out there. There are students from the crash course out there who are already enrolled in this series. I know there are multiple factors that you'll have to consider, but this is about your future. This can give you a college that can give you your dream life. And I guess this is very economic. I'll tell you in just a bit. So you'll be getting 35 KCET test series, 35. Then after that, a new feature that we added only for you this time, it was not there the last time, that is new is chapter wise KCET PYQs. If there are 14 chapters in physics, let's say, you will be getting 14 each chapter wise PYQs of these 14 chapters. So imagine the number of questions you are practicing. Will that make a difference or not? Will that make a difference for your dream life or not? You tell me in the comment section right now. Okay, now what exactly? Okay, there are multiple test series, but it will not just be in the form of PDFs that you'll get the test and you'll do it. It will be a proper stimulation. You will get proper exam like pattern. The test will start. You won't be able to change tabs. You won't be able to change tabs for looking for answers. You won't be able to close the examination. You will be monitored. Every question you will get the analyzation, if it's correct or not after the test. So see, you are getting an exam like environment. Correct? Now, why that is important? Okay, I personally sometimes feels nervous, sometimes get anxiety just before the exam. But imagine I've given these 40 tests, these 35 tests, and then I've practiced so much chapter wise PYQs. Imagine my confidence. Will I get nervous? You tell me, will I get nervous? Maybe a little bit, but not like the first time. Correct? And now I'm giving KCET for the 41st, for the 36th time in a way. Correct? So that is very important, and we will be covering all 4 subjects: physics, chemistry, math and biology. So make sure that you enroll in this series. and I'm telling you, I highly recommend to buy this series. This is about your future, my kids. Okay, this is all about KCET. Now let me tell you the important question, ma'am, how to purchase it. Okay, so when there is a link in the description, when you click on that link, you will get to this website. So this website will show you two options. What it is? The ABHYAS KCET Test Series to buy this, or you can register for free. So when you go to this page, again, I highly recommend you to buy this test series, but even if you want to register for free, click on, okay, so you can either buy this test series and it's just for 1500. It's a discounted price for now, my kids. It's discounted. It was 3000 previously, now it's just 1500, and I don't know for how much time it will be there. So go enroll as soon as you can. This will be for 1500 if you enroll in the series. If you register for free, you can click on this. You can click on the register on free, correct? Then click on buy now, and you will be directed. If you click on buy now, correct, you will be directed to this page. What this page is, this is a very important page. Let me tell you. Why? Because this page, when you come on this page, you will have to enter all your credentials. Your first name, your last name, your mobile number, your email address, and your password, and we'll have to confirm password, your gender, and the class and the board that you're studying from. Correct? Now, why this is important? Because when you're giving the exam, when we are tracking, when you buy this series, we'll send you a link to your email, to your WhatsApp, that yes, you have successfully enrolled. So for that, make sure you enter correct mobile number and email, because this is very important. We'll be communicating with you guys through this phone number and email. Okay? Now, when you enter all these information, you have to click on register. If by chance you are already registered with our platform, you can click on login with OTP. You'll get a OTP and you can directly register and log in through that. Correct? Till now, everything clear? Then, when you move to the next step, when you click on create your account or login, whatever step you choose, then the sixth step, you will get this page where they'll show you how much you have to pay. Correct? They will show you how much you have to pay. This is 1500 for now. Go and buy this as long till it says 1500. Go and you will get an option to pay. Now there are multiple options and we do not get any cut. We don't have any convenience fee. All this, you won't be charged anything extra. Correct? So when you click on pay, you will be directed to this page. Now you have n number of options to pay from. There is UPI, through cards. Even if you want EMI, you can also create an EMI for this. You have net banking and wallet. There are multiple ways you can choose how you want to pay. Okay, recommended is UPI, mostly because it's fast, I guess. Then when you pay, after you make the payment, you will be directed, you will get this pop-up that your registration is successful. You are successfully enrolled in ABHYAS KCET Test Series, one step forward towards your dream college, towards your dream life. Correct? And you will get all the information, transaction ID, and when you enrolled and everything. Okay? There it will show you that account is successfully created on the Deeksha Vedantu app. Now, after that, what you have to do, then what's next, you will get this pop-up there also. So what's next is, you have to check your email, check your WhatsApp. There will be a confirmation message on email as well as on WhatsApp. Correct? Then how to get access, how to start giving tests. You will be getting tests regularly. How to see where to get those tests. Correct? So what you have to do, you have to go on Play Store and download this Deeksha Vedantu app. See, till Deeksha Vedantu app on Play Store, it will look like something like this. Make sure you are choosing this one. When you click on this, the app will get downloaded and there you will see a pop-up of ABHYAS Test Series linked, that will be linked to your mobile or your email. Now, all this is done. This is the whole procedure. Sorry. This is the whole procedure to enroll, to get those test series. Imagine you are attempting 35 tests and chapter-wise PYQs. That does make a difference. I know the importance of exams. I know the importance of tests. When you go in the exam, when you sit in the actual exam, you will thank again that you have attempted these series. It's just 1500. It's very economic as the price and as the stuff we are giving you. 35 tests, imagine. Okay, so I highly recommend you to buy this test series. It is for your future. Take a step forward. I highly recommend you to do that.